Hello, boys and girls. I hope that you guys are having a really good day. Today with Miss Daisy, you guys are going to be practicing your name and the letters of your name. For our extended activity, we will be making a project with our names. For this activity, you will need a piece of long cardboard. If you don't have one, you can just use regular paper, but some long paper, some glue, and some nature items like flowers, leaves, twigs, tiny pebbles, whatever you find outside. First, you want to write your child's name nice and big so that they have space and they can see it. So Miss Myrna's name is written nice and big. Now you can just go ahead and take your flowers, your twigs, and glue them down onto your name, like so. You want to follow the line of your name, and as you glue down the flowers, go over the letters of your name. So my name starts with the letter M. M for Miss Myrna. That's the letter that I will cover first. And then I will move on to Y, R, N, A. Once you guys are done, it should look something like this. I hope that you guys try this activity at home and get to know the letters of your name. If you already know your first name, you guys can try doing your last name. I will see you guys in the next activity.